Okay, students, so when you are citing your sources for your CER, quickly, as a reminder, this is a quick mini lesson just to remind you how to do that. So in your rubric that is on your graphic organizer, it's down at the bottom. Remember here where it says evidence, appropriately cite sources used. So here it tells you exactly how to cite your sources. So once you've decided what resource you're going to use, again, we are recommending that you're using only what we've provided in class. So any reading material or evidence, or excuse me, text that we provided for the ancient Greece unit. So most students are using the Discovery Ed textbook. So this example is showing you how to provide all the necessary information. So the title of the resource, that's very important. The page number where you found the information that's in your evidence, and the section number that's part of the textbook, okay? So that is how you accurately cite your source. If you're missing something, you're going to get a 3. Okay, again, if you're attempting to cite the source and you just say, according to the worksheet or according to the textbook, you will get a 2. If you don't cite your source, you will get a 1 for your score. And again, it's very important to cite your sources appropriately. I'm going to show you again how that looks when you're writing a CER. So this student used, according to Discovery Education, Chapter 9.2, Explore Section 5. Okay, so that's how you would cite your source appropriately. So you're going to need to go to the textbook and you're going to need to make sure that you have the correct chapter number, 9.2, Explore Section 5, and then, of course, you're referencing and you're rewording in your own words what it states on that page. If you are citing a source and you're on the wrong page, then obviously you're not going to get credit for that piece of evidence if you're not citing it correctly or if you've cited a different page. Again, I want to make sure that you know that you can always use your CER toolbox to help you with citing your sources. You can use these sentence starters to introduce your source, so you don't have to start it with according to. You can say, in the Discovery Ed textbook, chapter 9.2, section 5, the text states, okay? And then I also want to show you something else that will also be available to you in the slideshow. So this is also a checklist. So when you're writing your CER, be sure to check this checklist. I'll show you where you can find it on this slideshow. So it does remind you how to write a claim. And then it helps you to stop at a checkpoint. My claim is clear, relevant, and in a complete sentence so that someone who has not read the original question can understand my claim. Okay, and then evidence. Okay, it says, your evidence is accurate information from your notes, text and video that directly supports your claim. You can quote your notes or the text, but be specific. Okay, so you are going to, you can use this as another another source for you. So down here at the bottom, okay, this is just another way for you to, another resource for you to use, okay, that shows you more sentence starters or for introducing your evidence or your reasons. Okay, so this is also a place that you can go. So if you were to use the mini lessons slideshow, you can see there will be more information and videos on how to cite your text evidence. And then on the very last slide, it says you can now begin your graphic organizer. Here's the CER toolbox and here's the writing checklist. Okay? So you will be able to use both of those to help you if you need help with citing your sources. And remember, you can always ask to meet with us during class and we'd be happy to share with you or help you with writing or cite your text evidence and citing them. So good luck.